How's it going, folks? Pup 918 here with some more action. Today I'm at Butler Airsoft Field for their opening game. Lots of games and action were had, so let's dive right in.
They're in the field depot. Hit. Bang, bang. Oh, I'm sorry. You scared me. It was like someone snuck up here. Hit. Are they stuck in their base? No, that bounced off me. It bounced off you and hit me? Yeah. Moving up. I got him under cover. Hit. I got him under cover. Got him. In the woods. Yeah, I'm just standing out in the open. Hit. He's distracted over there. We got it! Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Thanks for watching. If you liked this action-packed video, be sure to hit that like button below and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on my newest releases. Well, Butler Airsoft Field is located in Butler, Indiana, and is always in need of assistance in keeping it maintained. It's free to play, so come on and lend a hand when you can. Well, that's it for me today. This has been Pup 918 from Hightail It reminding you guys to keep your guns up, pants up, and Pup out.